Hello, welcome to Chelam Auto Fix. Right here with me is a 3.3 liter 3MZ engine. Okay, this engine actually has misfires. Okay, and then when I put a scan tool, when I put my scan tool, I realized that cylinder 3 and cylinder 4 were actually misfiring. Okay, and then on the scan tool, the codes that were registered were P0303 and P0304. okay, which happens to be cylinder 3, okay, at this rear bank 1, and this one here, P0304, okay, which is cylinder 4. okay, this is cylinder 3 at the back here, the second one here at the back, and then cylinder 4 is this one at the middle in front here. Okay, so those two cylinders are actually misfiring. So I'm going to get the plugs out, and this coil appears broken. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be replacing this coil, and then I'll check the one at the back too, if it's also if it has issues, and I'll get it fixed. So
I do.
this fuel pump has issues, so I had to disassemble the fuel pump, and as you can see that there's some residue underneath the filter. Okay, so this must have clogged the passage of the fuel pump, and so that what must have obstructed the flow of fuel, and so as a result it damaged the fuel pump. So I'm going to be replacing this one, fuel pump. I've taken out the intake manifold, and these are the injectors. Okay, there are 6 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to remove them, and then I'll clean them up and install them back later. So these are the injectors. Okay. I'm equally removing the spark plugs. I will replace all the 6 spark plugs. Now it's necessary for me to change this component, because the spark plugs are bad, the injectors are clogged, so I have to replace all of them, so that by the time the manifold goes back in, there won't be issue of having to remove them over again. So it's good to just do everything at once. The rubber will do for the matter. So now we'll use this in pattern. plugs are, you can see that they are one. So you need replacement. So I'm replacing the spark plugs as well. There are 6 of them. Alright, I've gotten the parts. Okay, right here with me is the fuel pump filter. I've got a new one, you know, an aftermarket part. I'll be replacing the old fuel pump filter with this. Okay, and then I'll use fuel pump. Okay, so I'll couple it together with this in the case. So that settles the fuel pump. Okay, and then next I have the plugs, spark plugs. I got Bosch spark plugs. You can see brand new. Okay, 6 of them. Okay, installing 6 of them. Right. So then remember I said that the valve cover gasket, the seals, these seals were actually bad. That's why oil was entering inside the spark plug. Okay, so I'm replacing those seals. These are the newer ones I got at the aftermarket. Then I have my oil filter here. You can see everything is new. I've been installing them, and of course one of my battery terminal is bad, the negative terminal. So yeah, this one here, you can see is bad, so I have to replace this one. And then my CV joint. What's that shaft? It's the outer shaft joint. Okay. Complete set. Complete kit. You can see the hose. And you have the clips. And then you can see the joints. This is one I'm replacing. Okay. Yeah. What's that one? Which one? So this is the new installation. You can see the new filter, the new pump in the old assembly. Okay, that's what I did. So brand new pump, brand new filter in the old assembly. So I'm just going to have to install everything like this in the tank, and we are good to go. Right, that's the sending units connector. That's the gauge. So good to go. Install it into the tank. Neat. That's gross. Push it down and then locks a little, you know. So now I've got my chisel and my hammer. I think I should test it before. Alright, so I've installed the spark plugs that were bad, the 2 coils that were bad in cylinder 3 and cylinder 4. I've replaced them. Alright, and then I cleaned out the injectors. So everything is intact now, and we are ready for test drive. So we are good to go. Thanks for staying tuned. Please, if you love my video, please like and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.